Hello class 5, how are you all? I hope all of you are keeping well. Okay, I hope you must have also watched the previous video where we have completed chapter number 2, page number 12. Now today again I am here with GK and we will be doing today page number 13. Okay, before that let me tell you one thing. Whenever in our school or in other places any kind of competition or any program, like basically competitions are being conducted, then we get few winners, right? There are some winners also, first, second, third, like that. Now in order to acknowledge those winners, in order to pay, not pay exactly, but then in order to encourage those winners, what exactly is done? We recognize them, we acknowledge them by rewarding them. How do we reward them? By giving some prizes, okay? And that enhances the encouragement of a person to do the same act in a more better way again and again. So in our country also, there are certain awards which are being like offered, or which are being given to certain people who show their excel in different acts, different events, such as education, films, then in like social activities, after that like bravery. Okay, so these are the fields where people show their excellence. Okay, and for that, to encourage those people and to recognize these people, our India government has also they have also organized a kind of award functions during certain programs. So here we are going to learn about some national awards which are very valuable, very respectable, very honorable. Okay. Now today you see, if you have your book, you can take out your book and you can see the book, page number 13. Now look here. In Indian government recognizes and awards people those excel in any acts of service, skill, bravery or dedication. Now here we have some awards. I am going to read out some sentences and I will be asking you, or I will help you to find out the which award this is. Now the first one, it is the highest civilian award. It is given for great achievements in the field of arts and science, and also for public and civil services. So which award is this? Which is given for achievements in the field of arts and science and also for public and civil services. So this award is known as Bharat Ratna Award, which is very honorable, very much respectable. Now the second one, it is the highest military award. It is given to all the soldiers of military who have shown great valor and bravery in the presence of enemy. On occasions, it has been awarded to foreigners who have exhibited great achievements. So which award is this? You can see here, that is Paramveer Chakra. You can see in the picture also, this is Paramveer Chakra award. Okay, here see this one, this is Bharat Ratna award and this one is Paramveer Chakra. Fine. Now we move to the next, number 3. In number 3, it is a national honor conferred on women by the Minister of Women and Child Development. It recognizes the spirit of courage of women in difficult circumstances. So in our country also there are many women who move moves forward to show their and show their activities in the path of developing or for the growth and for improvement of the better facilities for the women. Like if women are in any kind of trouble or they are facing any kind of problems, so in order to eradicate, in order to remove those problems, solve those problems, there are certain women who are really very powerful, and not powerful in the sense of their strength, but they are mentally powerful, and they take these steps to move forward and to help these women which are in trouble or in kind of problems. Okay, so for their excellence, we have again our India government has also again recognized them with some award, and that award is none other than Stree Shakti Award. So this is called Stree Shakti Award. You can see here in the picture, like you can see here one, awardees who has received the award, okay, from the, you can see here, this is Stree Shakti Award. Alright, so third one is Stree Shakti Award. Then we have fourth question. It is the country's highest literary award given for creative writing in any of the Indian 22 official language. So which award is this? This is Jnanpith Awards. Okay, so this is given to those who show their skills in writing, like not only in English but in different languages. So they show their skill in writing. They are being awarded by Jnanpith Awards. Okay. Then we have the next one, number 5. It was first given on the occasion of Mahatma Gandhi's 125th birth anniversary. This award is given to individuals of group for their contribution to the society based on Gandhian principles. So like we know that Gandhiji also had certain principles. Okay, like he used to say, we have to believe in non-violence. We should not believe in violence, because with non-violence also we can win the heart of people. Okay, so like this, there was many principles of Gandhiji's, and those who those people who work and show their activities in forwarding or spreading the message of Gandhiji's principle, those people are being again recognized by Indian government, and they are being awarded by award which is known as Gandhi Peace Prize. Okay, now here in our India again we have Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, like Clean India. Okay, so this is again Gandhian principle. Even Gandhiji also said that always we have to love cleanliness, then only our mind will be clean and we will have good thoughts. Okay, then we have number 6. These awards are given on 14th of November every year to children who have performed brave deeds. Now if you remember, there are certain children, and this particular award which I am talking about is is being given to the children, those who show their bravery, show their brave deeds. Okay, maybe some child who has rescued someone from any kind of trouble which others cannot do. There are so many examples in our country. There are many brave children who have shown their bravery and have been able to do these good deeds. Okay, and this particular award is generally given on 14th November to the children, those who show their bravery deeds. Okay, and this award is known as, I have not mentioned here, but this award is, if you can see in your help box, you can find the clue box. In the clue box, this is number 1, 2, 3, third option, that is National Bravery Award. Okay, so this award is basically given to the you can I'll show you on the board. I'll write that. So number 6 award is given to those children who show their bravery deeds, and this award is known as National Bravery Awards for Children. Okay, and it is given on every 14th November, that is on Children's Day. Now the last one, the last question is, these awards are given to the best cinema under various categories such as Best Director, Best Screenplay and many more. Okay. Now if you remember, there was a movie called Tare Zameen Par, and this movie was again awarded by Indian government, and it was recognized all over the world as well as in India. Okay, and those films do their excels in different fields. Okay, not only in screenplay but also in acting, also maybe music and other things. Then these kind of films are being awarded by National Film Awards. Okay, so here we complete number 7 also, and what you will be doing, you will complete this work and you will send me for correction. And next we will be moving to the next, in the next video I will explain you page number 14. Till then, take care and goodbye. Bye bye.